In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with Webflow by creating a CMS collection to store your product information and adding functional Shopify buy buttons. This powerful combination allows you to craft beautiful websites that link directly to your store for a smooth customer experience. So let's get started. First, let's set up a new collection in your Webflow CMS to host all the key details about your products. Begin by navigating to your Webflow dashboard and clicking on the CMS Collections tab. Here, we're going to create a new collection specifically designed for your product data. Give your collection a meaningful name, like Products, and proceed to define the fields you'll need. Common fields usually include price, description, and images, but depending on your product range, you might also want to add others such as SKU or availability. These fields act as containers for your product information, so it's important to think about the specifics your customers need to see. Once your Webflow CMS collection is ready, it's time to move on to Shopify. You'll want to generate a Buy button that will allow customers to purchase directly from your Webflow site. Head over to your Shopify admin page and locate the product for which you want to create a button. Under the product details, find the option to create a Buy button. Shopify will then provide you with an embed code, which we'll use in just a moment. This Buy button isn't just a simple link. It's a direct gateway to your Shopify checkout page, streamlining the buying process for your visitors. With the embed code on hand, return to your Webflow CMS and begin adding your products as items in the collection we just created. For each product, you'll manually input information, copying and pasting data like product names and prices from Shopify into the corresponding fields within Webflow. A crucial part of this step is to make sure that each product's unique identifier from Shopify is also copied into the new CMS collection. This identifier serves as the link between your Webflow site and your Shopify store, ensuring all systems are talking to each other efficiently. Finally, it's time to integrate the Shopify Buy button into your Webflow site. Open the page where you want the product to appear and choose the appropriate section for embedding the button's code. This ensures that when visitors click the button, they're taken directly to the Shopify checkout page, facilitating a direct and simple purchasing journey. Once the code is embedded and your site is published, give your site a test run to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now, your Webflow design synchronizes beautifully with your Shopify store, presenting a streamlined and aesthetically pleasing storefront. With these steps completed, you've successfully linked Webflow and Shopify, creating a robust e-commerce experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seeing your products shine online.